So it's a beautiful day. It's overcast. It's kind of cool actually. So we're off to a place I've been wanting to go for such a long time. One of the main reasons I even moved to Europe was to get to the Christmas market. So we're heading over to Birmingham to go to the Christmas market. I'm totally excited about this. Come along for the ride. Let's go. This should be a lot of fun.
So we're on our way to Birmingham to go to the Christmas market, but first we have to make a stop. We're going to Costa.
Costa?
Hi, can I get a Belgian chocolate frostino medium?
A medium Belgian chocolate, yeah?
Yep.
Anything else?
Always good. So we made it to Birmingham. Now we're just trying to get closer to where we're going. Like I mentioned before, we're going to the Christmas market at Newmarket and New Street and Victoria Square. But as we get closer to it, it's more and more traffic, and I don't know. We wanted to get here before sundown, but the sun's going down.
So we made it to the mall, we made it to Birmingham, but the problem we're having is finding the Christmas market. So we're in the Bullring Mall right now, trying to get to the Christmas market. Came out the wrong exit, and now we're heading back. Heading back the other way, see if we can make it. I'm sure we'll get there, just gotta find our way. It's gonna take a few minutes possibly to walk back through the mall and get back to the other side where the Christmas market is. I think we just came out on the wrong side. I'm gonna check the map here again, see how we're doing. This mall is huge. It reminds me of Pentagon City. It's about the same size as Pentagon City in Washington, D.C. Multiple floors. So we're up on the top level. Yeah, multiple floors. Let me let you see a little bit of it. It's a beautiful mall. We still haven't found the Christmas market. Uh-oh. What do we find here? The entertainer. So Blakely and Trey, the kids have found some toy stores. But we still haven't found the Christmas market. We're gonna keep looking. Thank you.
Oh, giant little reindeer.
I think it's this way. This is it. Wow, it's a lot of people out here. But I think we're finally getting to where we were trying to go all along. All right. Got them? So yeah, this appears to be it, right?
Birmingham Frankfurt Christmas market.
Birmingham Frankfurt Christmas market. It's a solid wall of people. It's a solid wall of people. But we're lucky we finally made it to the entrance. It took us a couple hours to get here. There was a drive from home, but now we're getting closer. Okay. So this is the largest, it says that this is the largest German style Christmas market outside of Germany and Austria. So hopefully I can get some nice bratwurst or some schnitzel. Bratwurst and schnitzel, that's what I'm looking for. But this is really pretty out here. A lot of people. Oh, I think I lost my people. Almonds? The almonds? Yes. Start. Thank you. I bought the almonds because I know Braden's allergic to cashews, but he could eat almonds. Moving along. I got these almonds. Okay, I'm finally seeing some of the things I was looking for. Right up here ahead of me is some of the Christmas ornaments. Oh yeah, ornament shops. These are beautiful.
So, I doubted the pretzels. I doubted the pretzel sandwiches. But the sandwiches look good. They look really good. How is it, Trey?
Good.
How is it, Blakely?
It tastes like the donuts that we had at Mimi's house.
Pretzels are nice. We may stop back by and pick up some more of those, take them home. Those are really good. But there are all kind of like really great treats out here. The pretzels are here. Here I'm passing some donuts. Let me show you the donuts here.
We found a Christmas tree.
Bratwurst. Okay, so we found a spot right here in the corner. Got our food right here. And so we're just gonna eat real quick.
Do you have it?
This is the flavor I was hoping for. An authentic bratwurst. Blair brought a beerwurst, which is like a spicy one with some onions. This is what we wanted. Nice German flavors. This is good stuff.
As loud as you possibly can.
Follow Daddy. He went into the store. Go. Go. Turmeric latte. Blakely likes the Sakura. Sakura. Pink one. Sakura. Okay, fine.
It's a beautiful market. It is so many people out here. It is so many people out here. But this is a lot of fun. We've had some bratwursts. We're gonna go back now and try to pick up some Christmas ornaments. We might do a little bit of shopping since we just came in through a mall. We'll see what we can do. Okay, so it's a lot of people out here, but it's a lot of fun. It's a great vibe, a lot of energy, and people really seem to be in like a great spirit. Really wonderful experience to be out here. Couldn't do this over the last couple of years on COVID, so it's good to be back out doing something like this. This is really beautiful in Birmingham. So we've been out here about maybe about 2-3 hours, just kind of walking around and enjoying ourselves here. So we'll be out here for a little while longer. And since it's like co-located with like a shopping area, we'll probably hit the Lego store, hit up a couple of other favorite stores, and just kind of enjoy the rest of our afternoon out here. Picked up some ornaments, but all the way, just a really good experience, a beautiful market. We're probably gonna hit up a couple more of these throughout the year as we lead into the holiday season. If you know of a couple other good ones, leave it down in the comments below. Let us know in the comments below what's a couple other locations where there's gonna be some really great Christmas markets in the UK throughout the holiday season. So leave it down in the comments. Also, if you like this comment, please, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. So subscribe to the content. We're gonna keep doing this all the way through the holiday season.
So we just finished up with the Birmingham Christmas market. We had tons of fun trying food.
Yeah, it was really good. It was a lot of food. It was a lot of activities, a lot of walking, a lot of people, live music. It was really a great experience. We really enjoyed it. Y'all have fun?
Yes.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. And we got the kids some nice little,
Really things.
yeah,
Pinwheels.
twirly lights.
It was great for keeping
Little
up with them
pinwheels.
in the crowds.
And it did help us find them in the crowds. I tell you what though, we were hoping for more ornaments and nutcrackers and things of that sort and that kind of stuff. They didn't have that. A lot of beer, a lot of bratwurst, A lot of German things. That was great, but I was hoping for more ornaments. So in the comments below, if you know of other Christmas markets that have ornaments or things of that sort, drop that in the comments down below. Let us know if there are any other ornaments that we can find at Christmas markets.
Yep.
Also, if you like this content,
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
What'd you say, Matthew?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
All right, guys. Until the next time, we'll see you later. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.